Do you want to learn how to edit a page in Elementor on WordPress? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to be a quick guide, so let's get to it. First, you need to go over to the WP admin page of your website, and then on the left-hand side, click on Plugins, Add Plugin. Then on the right, in Search Plugins, you need to search for Elementor. Now, the first link, this is Elementor Website Builder. Click on this Install Now. Now it is installed. Let's press on this Activate button, and Elementor is activated. Now it's going to give you this onboarding page. We do not need to do anything here. Just press on this X button on the top right. Go over to your pages on the left hand side. Click on Add Page or All Pages. Now here, let's say we want to edit our sample page. You do not see Elementor, Edit with Elementor here. So what you need to do is go over to the Edit button on this page. And inside it, on the top, you'll see Edit with Elementor. So you can click on it, and it's going to change that editing experience from Gutenberg page builder to Elementor page builder. Just press on skip here. Now you can move this box around, click on it, and change the text inside like this. It's very intuitive. Elementor has a bit of a learning curve, but it's easy to learn. Elementor has a bit of a learning curve, but it's easy to learn. Elementor has a bit of a learning curve, but it is easy to learn. You can press on this X here on this box, and it's going to remove that widget. Then you can press on this plus button, and you can add a new layout, for example, grid or flexbox. Let's do that. Press on this X again, and on the right hand side, you'll see all your widgets that you can drag and drop. For example, if you want to add an image, you can just drag this over here. And now you just need to replace that image from here. Choose image, media library, whatever you have uploaded on your website, the images and videos is going to show up over here. You can upload from this side. You can add heading, video, button, divider, and a lot more. And all of these other ones over here on the bottom, these are if you upgrade to the Pro plan. Also, if you go back to WP admin page, go over to plugins, add plugin, you can search for Elementor add-ons. There are a lot of these plugins available, which will help you to design your website. They will offer you widgets and templates, and most of them have free plan in it, so you can go for it. Once you have edited a page with Elementor, you can go over to the pages in WP admin, and you'll be able to see Elementor next to that page. You can directly go over to Edit with Elementor, just click on it, and it's going to take you over to the editor. You do not need to go over to Edit page and then click on Edit with Elementor. You can just directly go over to it. Once you're done editing a page or a blog post, you can click here on the top right, click on Publish. And if you click on this arrow, you'll see Save as Template or View Page. And yeah, that's it. That's how to edit a page with Elementor in WordPress. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Elementor or WordPress related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.